Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Virtual Gardening. Now, if you're watching this video and you got lucky like me, your garden survived the last frost. Well, I'm going to show you in this video how I did it, and as you can see, my garden is alive and well. Alright, so we were in the process of harvesting in the last video. All of a sudden we got an unexpected freeze, and house was supposed to get down to like 30 degrees. Now at 32 degrees, water will freeze. So we needed to cover our garden and we needed to protect it so that way we can extend our season a little bit longer. And I'm going to show you guys how I did that. So first of all, if your garden is open like mine like this and you don't have it in a greenhouse, what you want to do is you want to definitely water. What you do is soak your ground as much as you possibly can. That acts as like an insulator. It gives the plants a little bit of strength because they're, nice and nourished. And the water will actually help it. But then as you can see, what I did was I had to purchase some tarps. And what I did was I lowered down my stringers. So these here, which, our peas are attached to, I had to take a lot of them and drop them down. Just because when you apply the tarp over the top, you don't want it to be like really high. And I don't allow any holes for drafts or anything like that. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick example on how I covered my garden. Alright, now if you don't have a tarp, you can always, use a sheet or a blanket. I went and I bought tarps, some heavy duty tarps. But what you want to do is you want to stake them down on the corners. And if you don't have stakes, you can just use whatever you have. Some bricks, some rocks. Just try to get them covered. And that's pretty much it. At this point, we're going to start getting some cold spells. We always get our first frost usually in like October. That's why when you're trick-or-treating, it's usually cold. But this one was an unexpected frost, so we had to kind of prepare for it. And that night it was like raining and freezing. So this is what I did, and that's what kept my garden alive. So what you guys want to do is be prepared for the next couple weeks. We never know if we're going to have it to be nice and warm or if we have another frost coming in. So I just want to kind of give you guys a heads up and show you guys how to properly cover your garden, and this will extend your season a little bit longer. All right. Now I want to show you guys an example of why we covered our garden. Is because we are getting some delicious sweet peas like this, and I feel like I want it to go longer. I think we have another couple weeks left of gardening, so we'll try to do our best to keep this alive and keep it going. Alright guys, I hope everybody's having good luck over there at home, and remember, keep your gardens watered and take care of them if you still have them alive. Alright guys, until next time, have a good one.